Here's interesting apps called myCar, Key Connect, and Dashboard. So this is the app when you can basically connect your car, and this is many cars in one app. So there are a lot like Honda app, Hyundai app, whatever, Nissan app, and so on. But seems with this app you can connect multiple brands where it's available, and sometimes where these personal apps for specific cars are crashing or just don't work, you can rely on this app. And this app has more functionality than some of these separate apps for brands. So definitely worth a try for you if you own a car and it has this Bluetooth functionality. So you can try it out. Transform your phone into a modern driving companion designed for safety, clarity, and simplicity. This app combines navigation, media, weather, and calls in one smooth, distraction-free interface. Real-time navigation with turn-by-turn guidance, live weather information along your route, quick access to your favorite music playlist, hands-free calling through contacts. Drive smart, stay focused, enjoy streamlined interface built for drivers, manage calls, follow routes, and play music safely with large buttons and easy to read layout. So safety first, wide device compatibility, premium mode, privacy and security. So yeah, here you can just open this one up, and then you can then just build a dashboard. And then there is subscription, weekly, annual. Fortunately, there is no free trial. There is a separate offer, as you can see, which is $20 per year. And then you can just see your widgets. You can connect car key, you can add remote control, driving mode, just create widgets, upgrade. So that's kind of the idea in here. So yeah, if you want to have all widgets and sounds, then you can just try this one. And then radar, car key, and myCar, mirror screen to windshield, driving mode, weather, time visuals, and more all in one place, hood mode, speedometer, and then you can just add a car. But unfortunately, yeah, you need to upgrade.